Hello, elevator enthusiasts. We'll take a look at the date and time here. This is my next the next Elevator Man 5482 Elev Experiences unboxing. So, before I unbox, I just want to thank everybody for making this the most amazing birthday ever. I mean, I got 100 subscribers on my birthday. I mean, that just makes it even better. And here is a present that Pickles Horvath gave me. And all she's told me is it's a fire alarm. Let's see what it is. This is going to be my first fire alarm in my collection, so looks pretty easy to open. Once again, I hope you're seeing this. Oh, here it comes. Well, first off, I'm going to let y'all look at the specifications. It appears to be a white model. Looks like it's alright, here it is. Here is the alarm itself. Once we get in the camera there. This is a Wheelock E50 speaker strobe. Here's the back of it. I'll let you pause and read this information if you want to. Oh, there we go. Here's the info on the back here. Has some watt selections, some strobe and speaker terminals. As we all know, speaker strobes are always 4-wire alarms. And here's the outer cone itself. And as you can see, we have our classic Wheelock logo. Let's get a good focus on that. Very good focus. And once again, we'll look at the full alarm. Fire lettering. Alright. Now we will go ahead and now we got to go ahead and and here is the manual. It's just a manual of how to wire it up. And it's just a warning from Cooper Wheelock. I don't really think you need to read all this. Yeah. But yeah, got my first fire alarm, so I hope to get back with Elise to hopefully get it wired up, and I will sure make a test video. And here are the screws in case you want to mount it. So let me put it where you can see it. It's not going to stand very well, but there it is. So thank you so much, Elise, for that, for my first ever fire alarm. I really hope that if I start a collection, it will greatly help my fear of fire alarms, because I still have a little bit of it in school, but I want to learn to get over it. So yeah, I'll upload a test video if ever I wire it. So thanks for watching this video, and that will be it.